put alcohol on the avocado seed, and you'll never suffer from body pains again. This tip will relieve and solve your problems. And to start this wonderful tip, let's take an avocado seed and cut it in half. This avocado seed is a bit old, but it works just the same. Now let's grab a knife. Get a knife that has a good edge. We're going to cut it into slices like I'm doing. We need to cut it into small pieces to put it into the container more easily. For those who think the avocado seed is hard, you're mistaken. It can be easily cut with a knife. Of course, it's a little tough. After all, it's a seed. Keep cutting it like I'm doing. Comment below from which city you're watching. I'd love to know. Now just keep cutting it into small cubes. This way, the avocado seed is a great antioxidant, helping to prevent cellular aging in your body. If you want to ingest the nutrients and benefits of the avocado seed, watch another video on our page. After cutting the entire seed into cubes and small pieces, let's set it aside and get a sprayer. Just remove the sprayer cap and put all the avocado seed pieces into our container. You can't imagine how good and effective the avocado seed is against body pains. By ingesting the avocado seed nutrients in liquids, you'll be able to prevent cardiovascular diseases because the seed is rich in amino acids. So, check out the videos on our page. And for those of you who want to try this tip, the avocado seed contains anti-inflammatory properties and will help with joint problems like arthritis and tendinitis. After placing the seeds, let's add 150 milliliters of room temperature water. I'm using a funnel to help with liquid passage. We'll also use alcohol. I'll add 150 milliliters as well. The alcohol will work with the water to release all the benefits for your body contained in the seed. Finally, let's take the sprayer cap and close it. Just screw it on and wait for about 2 hours or more to release all the nutrients. Here, I waited for an hour and it looks like this. I advise you to leave it resting for 24 hours, but here I'll test it after just 1 hour. Let me show you where to apply this marvel. Here I'll apply it to the fold of my arm. I've been feeling pain in this joint for a few days. Just spray and rub, massaging with your hands. This way, your pains will disappear. This mixture helped me a lot. I'm sure it will help you too. Apply it at least 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and night. Tag someone who's suffering from body pains. That was today's tip. Until the next video.